Hey guys, Mobile Geezer with a very quick look at the Microsoft Surface Duo that I finally got. So we're going to unbox it real quick. And since I don't have a lot of time, we'll show you the dual screens and everything probably over the weekend. So there's the Duo. I'm not going to call it a phone, it just has a phone in it. So we'll put it aside. We'll take a look at the usual standard stuff you find inside. The one different thing is it has these bumpers that you can put on for protection, and I'll be putting those on. And pretty much everything else inside is your SIM tool, your connection, your power adapter, all the standard stuff. So we're going to open this up and see what it looks like. Very solid, satisfying sound. So all we've got is a fingerprint sensor, volume up and down, power button, and our USB Type-C in and SIM tray. Of course, you know it folds all the way back. There's our camera and flash, one camera for both front and back. So let's turn it on, and I'll get back to you as soon as I'm set up. So we do have an update right out of the box, and there's the Duo fully booted up, still copying apps. So let's take a front and a rear picture and take a quick look at what that looks like. Since so many people were complaining about the cameras. So that's how the photos came out. I don't think they look so bad, but we'll be looking into that starting next week. So this was just a quick one, guys. Just wanted to let you guys know that I had it, since you know I've been waiting for it. And I'm not going to leave a link in the description because I don't think many of you are going to want to pick this up for $1,500, which is what it costs after taxes. So as always, comments are welcome, and thanks for watching.
Yeah.